Welcome to Bio class 12. Today we will discuss contraceptives. You know that contraceptives, it is a device which prevent conception, pregnancy. So a device which stops pregnancy. So this device, it is used by the male and female both. So it should be user friendly, easily available, comfortable, easy to use, and it should be effective against pregnancy and any sexual transmitted diseases. So different types of contraceptives are there. It is natural, it is there. The barrier type is there. Intrauterine, another type is there. Oral contraceptive pills, it is there. Injectable, implants, and at last the surgical. Surgical is the only the permanent method. Permanent contraceptive when we cannot return back. In other all the cases, pregnancy is possible when this process is stopped. Okay, so one by one we can see that first is natural process. You know that in the menstrual cycle, and just after menstruation, the 5th to 10th this day, you know that the 14th day is ovulation. The ovum will enter inside the in 14th day. So 5th to 10 this days are very safe for the coitus. And here in your book, 10 to 17 days it should be avoided. So in naturally in this if sperm will enter inside the female body, then also the pregnancy will not be there. Another type of natural also lactational amenorrhea is there, and the withdrawal also. So in lactant mother, in that stage the menstruation is not there. So this stage also safe it is. Next is barrier method. Barrier method means to prevent. Here is the barrier so that the sperm cannot enter. So in barrier method you can see that the condom in male, in case of female also there. Diaphragm and the cervical cap also it can prevent directly. Cervical cap and diaphragm. Another method is their chemical method. Spermicidal gel, foam, all these things are used to kill the sperm. Here the very mild toxic material is there, that is the boric acid, citric acid, zinc sulfate, potassium permanganate, so which can kill this sperm. Next we can see that uterine device, intrauterine device, IUD is a very important part here. You know that the copper T here, this diagram you can see. Copper T, it is having the ionized copper which slowly diffuse in rate of very slow rate, 50 microgram per day. It means that this copper T, it is placed in the female reproductive tract, uterus, inside the uterus, and it very slowly it leaching that the copper, which is cytotoxic effect to the sperm, ovum, zygote, and it prevents implantation. So various different types of copper Ts are available. Here is a copper T. You can see that the multi-load 375, CUT, CU7, all this the copper releasing. These are the copper, it will release the copper, that cytotoxic effect. And there is some other modified, which is that LNG20. LNG20, here is the one cylinder like structure that here it stored that hormone cylinder, which also can prevent that implantation. And here is another very common type. So these are the different type of the intrauterine device. Next is oral pill. You know that oral pill, it is taken orally. Basically, these are for the female, and it inhibits ovulation, and it makes the environment unsuitable for the implantation. So see that there are two here, the combined pill, the combined oral contraceptive, COC. It means that the estrogen and the progesterone here the equally it is found, synthetic estrogen and synthetic progesterone. All these are collected from the plant, and these are combined in that form. If you recall that the menstrual cycle, you can see that the progesterone and the estrogen, that graph of that, after ovulation, in the luteal phase, the progesterone it increased. It means that it never happens that estrogen and progesterone both are in the same concentration. Actually, if both are in same concentration, then it stops that ovulation. So that in this way that it is prevented. Even in follicular growth level, that progesterone if increased, the progesterone it will not help in this, it prevents that. So that it prevents the follicular growth. If follicle will not grow, then the ovulation is not there. In case of mini pill, the POP, progesterone only pill, that is the mini pill. The second type is there. The only progesterone is there, and progesterone it is taken the onset of the cycle, and so that it increased and it stops and inhibits the cycle. In market that COC that it is available, that Mala D, and in POP it is available in the market, that is Saheli. Next one is implants. It is a hormone containing device which are implanted under the skin, and it is for long time contraception. This is a long stick like structure. You can see that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In your NCERT book also the diagram is there. So the hormone containing these are, it is placed inside the arm, upper arm. Okay. Next one, surgical method. This surgical method, that it is possible in male and the female both. You can see that here the was difference, and it is cut and tied in both the sides, so that from here the root is disconnected and it will not move out. This is called the vasectomy, the cutting of vas deferens, and tubectomy here is fallopian tube. Fallopian tube also in the same way, if it is cut, look at here, these areas, so that the ovum it is not transported and it cannot enter. This is the permanent measure. So once it is done, it cannot be returned back. In this case, the pregnancy is after that it is not possible. Okay. So here next part is medical termination and other part that will be uploaded next video. Okay, so prepare this part nicely. Thank you.